More?
What's Eva doing?
Oh, bah, bah, go.
More?
More.
Need more?
More.
Alright, more.
More. Oh. Ow.
You got it.
Good job. Okay, push down over here.
Go, go. Right.
Good job, Eva.
Yay!
Go get another one.
Hey, Justin.
You doing your happy dance?
Yeah, what's up?
Good job. Can you carry it over there?
There.
Yeah. Oh, good job.
Yay.
Strong girl.
Big sky's brighter, so she can't usually enough to do it. I was
All right. Yay.
Alright.
go to Ross, see if they like $5 or something.
Yeah. We're gonna buy.
Got it?
Guys.
Yeah, it
It's
was.
not moving, is it? Need help?
Every time I've been skiing, all I do is wear a pair of jeans and underneath it, a pair of
All right.
pants, and
Alright.
your bottom never gets real cold. It's always
Good job, Eva.
thermal underwear, but that would be good too. Yeah, no, I don't. Actually, take that back. I got a pair of ski pants.
Here we go.
Guys.
I bet I do.
Wait.
I do.
Wow.
That's fine.
What a nice, what a nice path you're building here. Look at that. Beautiful.
Shoot, kind of nodded his head. I'm like,
Here we go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
No problem. Okay, bye.
Oh, yeah. Riding bikes is more fun sometimes than laying bricks, isn't it?
Riding your bike?
Off she goes.
Oh, I'm supposed to push you?